Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, I would say a good, solid, healthy day, namely because when you factor in the context from Friday, and what was that context? Well, the context was there was very clearly downwards pressure on it as the price basically all Friday just dropped and dropped and dropped. So going into the day, it was more than valid to be, questioning, hey, you know what? Is this the start of something bigger to the downside? Are the bears going to show up with more selling pressure? What exactly is going to happen? And no, absolutely not. So, was today some sort of explosion to the upside? No, but it went to the top, totally opposite direction. It went back up a little bit and then just maintained those gains. But the point here being, like I said, when you factor in and look at it, considering the context from Friday, I would argue good solid day. And then also have a new level that basically everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching, the $60 mark. I mean, you go back here and look at the history of things, and you can see $60 right there essentially rejected it. And then not once, but multiple times today, the price got right up around $60 and, could never quite push through it. So that's going to be the breakout level that everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching, that cares about breakouts, that wants to play breakouts. Because if the price can push up through there, then yeah, at that point, the next key overarching level becomes right up there at the $70 mark. But I mean, it's really as cut and dry as that. In the near term, after today, very clear line in the sand has been drawn at $60. So that'll be that main breakout point that, doesn't guarantee that the price gets up to $70. But my point here is that it's pretty irrelevant to be talking about that $70 mark right now until the price can first prove itself in the near term by being able to get up above the $60 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, overall, now that we have the data from today, a nice uptrending trend line here has been put into place. So let me make that green for more of a bullish dynamic. So continue to watch that trend line right there. And as long as the price, no matter how dramatic it gets, but as long as the price stays above that green line, then that does imply that the price is trending upwards. And that is by far what matters most. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.